Hey friends, Wendy Cannon here with Cannin Plannin, and I'm excited to hop in today to you guys and talk about stencils and building your own habit tracker in your planner. So I love a good stencil. Tool 12 happens to have some of the best ones out on the market. They're nice, thick acrylic, and you can use them for all kinds of things. I know that what I'm going to be sharing with you today is the pack of 4. So let me kind of share with you what is in the pack of 4. So first one is this particular one that's going to have all of your tracking needs on it, your bubbles, your squares, your lines. And this is the one that we're going to use for today. Also in here, you're going to find flags with coffee cups and banners. On the other side, you're going to find ones to make flowers. There's quote bubbles. There is the push pin, file folder, tags, all those fun things. And then on this one, it's just some shapes. So we have circles, there's an asterisk, a lightning bolt, clouds, suns, and I'm trying to do this, moons, and then there's a thermometer as well. So I'm trying to do it so you guys can catch it in the background there. But that is what I'm going to be talking about, is these 4 inserts and how you can use this one specifically to put a habit tracker in any of your planner needs. So let's talk about how to do that. I just grabbed a dot grid journal, and I grabbed some of my favorite pens. These are Sarasa from Zebra, and they are fine felt tip, which means they are nice and pointy. And you can see that has a nice point to it. I like the ones that have a longer tip, especially for the acrylics and the stencils, because you can get into the grooves and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this entails. Now you can use this to put it anywhere in any of your planner setups. You can do it on a blank page. You can do it inside of your weekly. You can do it in large boxes. You can do it in small boxes, however you choose to. I'm going to just use the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. I'm going to show you how putting those together creates a perfect habit tracker. So you're going to do is go ahead and place it down where you want to have it. And then you're going to do the lines for each one. I went ahead and did blue so that you guys can see it a little bit more. Hopefully it's popping up so you can see that. So I just went through and actually did the seven lines that are there. So it looks like this. And then I'm going to take the vertical lines on this stencil and I'm going to put them right over the top of that, because they are made to line up and create exactly what you're looking for. So this is going to give us a nice habit tracker to be able to use on a daily basis right inside either your journal or your planner or whatever it is. You can use each of these lines to put what it is. And then this one has got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we'll need to add one more line on here, which we can easily do. We're just going to line it up. We're actually going to go like this first. Line it up and give ourselves one more box. And we're just going to extend these a little bit further so that we have one for every day. Now, if you are one that wants to only do it a couple times a week, you can do that as well. Okay. Then this gives you a place where you can write, maybe you want to drink more water and you can fill it through. You can say, oh, I did 8 ounces. This day I did 32 ounces. Then maybe I did 16, maybe Thursday was amazing and I did 64 ounces. Maybe I was back to 16. I did 8 on Saturday, and then I hopped back up to 48. Okay. So just little ways that you can track that. You can also do meds. Did I take my meds? Yes, yes, no, yes, yes. Okay. Either way, you can do that. You can utilize dot markers. So these are some of my favorite. These are clean color dots. You can find these on Amazon. You can use those to color in the spaces if you want to. Or if you are a lover of Tula 12 and all things that we have available, we do have dot stickers. This is just a slim variety of it because I use these as a gift to send out. So I gave out little pieces. But you can use the color coding dots to fill in the squares as well, to showcase what it is that you accomplished on such and such a date. Now, what I love about the color coding dots is they come in many colors. There's a rainbow sheet, one in gems, one in pastels, and one in the bold color trio for this particular catalog launch. Each catalog, we get a different color. So this is just a quick recording to let you guys know how you can put together this particular habit tracker inside of your planner. If you want to grab these stencils, I'm going to go ahead and drop the link for them in the comments below. You can grab them and enjoy making habit trackers in your own journals or planners or whatever you got going on for you. Hope you have a fantastic day, friend. Bye.